Hello guys, today I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to add American Express gift card to Cash App in 2025. Let's get started with this video. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. First, launch the Cash App on your phone. Next, go to the banking section. Tap on the banking icon at the bottom left or select balance on your home screen. Now it's time to add your gift card. Tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. Then, enter your American Express gift card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV code from the back of the card. Cash App will now verify the card details. If everything checks out, the gift card will be successfully linked to your account. Once added, you can start using your gift card right away. Make payments, transfer funds or shop online, all through Cash App. And that's how you add an American Express gift card to Cash App.